Good morning guys, Sunday today. Andito pa rin tayo sa trabaho. Baka ito na yung huling araw. Baka bukas cleaning na lang talaga kami kung ano yung mga maiiwan. Gumising ako ngayon na namamaga yung mata. Buong katawan ko, yung allergy ko lumabas. Ayan o, ano pa siya dito. Magang-maga pa siya dito, pero it's okay, mawawala rin yan mamaya pag lumabas na yung mga pantal-pantal ko. Yan talaga naman, wala naman sana akong kinain kundi yung corn kagabi. But it's okay, mawawala rin yan kasi makulimlim guys. Isa rin yan sa mga dahilan yung change weather change. So samahan nyo kami sa buong araw namin ngayon. So hopefully maging busy kami or hindi man at least decent ngayon para medyo maubos yung mga pagkain para wala kami masyadong iuuwi kasi ang dami. And you know, hindi naman ako kumakain ng mga pagkain na to. Syempre magsasawa din naman yung mga alaga ko kung yun lang yung kakainin nila lagi. So see you guys in a little bit. And now I got wet in the rain because I did not close my window all the way. And it's really raining hard right now guys. This is really weird. Look at that guys, it's really raining so hard, and look at my car, it got wet because I did not close it all the way and I did not notice that it rains. I know it will rain, but I thought it's just gonna be like a sprinkle, but apparently it was raining so hard, so me and my coworker has to run outside just to, oh my god, like I run out here guys. It's really nasty, wet outside here right now. I hate it. Okay guys, I'll see you again in a little bit. I have to go back inside. Look at that guys. It is really raining so hard. Look. Could you believe that in September? We're still in summer. Para kaming mga para kaming mga sira dahil umuulan. Not all the way, but big crack. But the thing is, it's raining hard. I thought it's just gonna be sprinkled today. So, I should have known better, man. Well, the grass needs it. Yeah, my garden needs it. Hopefully it's raining in my area right now. But oh my god, I feel bad for those people that's camping on the tent, like Bree.
Hey, I'm one of those people that dipped out yesterday, but you know what? I got a tarpon truck.
Jesus Christ, look at that guys. Oh my god, my wood pile is all wet. How am I gonna have some bonfire later on? But I guess we're going home. Oh well. Oh well, we'll see. Hopefully my matches, I didn't even know if I bring my matches inside the house.
Oh my god. Look at it.
Well, I have a stove anyways that, you know, gas. So I would be okay.
So it's gonna lighten up.
This leftover corn. Kagabi, nilagyan ko lang siya ng butter and soap. Yan na yung aming breakfast ngayon. Nagdadalawa kami lahat dito. Bali, isa lang yan. So, dalawang hati. Kami lahat. Tatlo kami rito magkakasama, Monica, Brie, and me. So, habang umuulan sa labas, because for sure, wala na naman kaming customer na darating. Meron man siguro, makakapilang. Kasi, ang basa-basa sa labas. Grabe ang ulan. So, yan guys, magbe-breakfast muna kami. Corn. Update po sa bahay. Ayan na, may cabinet na. Tapos, may granite na rin. Yan po ang update. Nakabit na lang aming papa. Kalan na lang at saka yung fridge ang kulang. Tapos yung kwarto po, yung amin na lang ang walang sahig. Ito po nasahigan na rin. Kaso pinatungan muna namin kasi tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung paggagawa dito. Ayan ang aming tatay. Oh. Ayan o. Oh. Napinturahan na po yung pintura, yung pinto. Papalitan po yan. Lalagyan na rin niya ng light fixture. Ayan sila o. Oh. Mga napagod na yung na pintura. Ayan po o. Oh. Dito nalagyan na rin ng mga light fixture. Ayan yung kwarto na lagyan na rin ng sahig. ano na lang, yung baseboard na lang po ang kulang dyan sa kwarto. Ito yung kwarto na may salamin. O nalagyan niya na rin ng tawag nito, blinds. Tapos ito po, tatanggalin to kasi gawin itong daan puntang garage. Yung aking pantry na pinturahan na rin po nila. At ayan po na may sahig na rin. So ito kailangan lang linisan. So within this week matatapos na po siguro kami. Ito rin, nalagyan niya na rin ng yung fan. Ito yung magiging kwarto ni Isabel. Ayan. Na ano na rin po. May sapin din kasi para kung magpabalik-balik, yung sapatos hindi magmamark dyan sa sahig. Tapos yan, baseboard na lang din ang kulang. So ayan guys, konti na lang. Konting kembot na lang. Konting kembot na lang. Dito rin. Kaso wala kang ilaw. Ayan, konting kembot na lang po. Ayan, di pa natapos ang aming ilaw sa dining light. Hindi pa tapos. So, matatapos din yan. Daddy, that's the color. We can change that color, right?
The light bulb, yeah.
Because it's yellow.
What's wrong with yellow?
If we're eating, it's gonna be dark. So, yung labas. Napakita ko na pala to na nasemento na rin siya. So, yan lang muna ang update natin. So, hopefully, within this week, may matapos tayo. So, yan lang muna guys. So, bukas kasi babalik din ako dun sa lake. Dahil maglilinis na kami. And iuwi na namin yung aming trailer muna. So, balikan ko kayo guys. Salamat sa panonood. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang aming video for today, hit like. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, please consider subscribing to our channel. And we'll see you guys again next time. Bye!